TeraFlex's Sierra cargo rack for the JK Wrangler is the best solution for maximizing storage in the four-door JK's cargo area. Its adjustability and rattle-free design makes it a must-have accessory for any adventure enthusiast. The easy installation process begins with locating the threaded holes on the rear pillars. The padded cover has Velcro that allows for easy access. Attach the mounting bracket to the pillars by installing the provided hardware into the threaded holes. Insert the metal spacers into the holes on the sides of the tray. Don't be afraid to use a rubber mallet to get those spacers in if the fit's a little tight. Now it's time to choose what height you want the tray to be. There's no wrong choice, and it's very easy to change the height later. Set the tray into position. If you have a second person to help you hold it up, then that will make things a little easier. The nut plate goes on the outside of the brackets. Then install the bolts to attach the tray. The provided tool can be used to help tighten down, or you can use a much faster ratcheting wrench. A slot on the side can hold the provided tool, and don't forget to install the drain plug. An optional light can be installed under the tray. With the tray removed, unzip the padded cover on the passenger side pillar to expose the wire harness. Unclip the wire harness from the pillar and remove the black casing to expose 3 wires. Cut the black ground wire and the yellow wire with a white stripe. Do not cut the third wire, which is yellow wire with a blue stripe. Using the provided connectors, splice the light wires to the vehicle wires. Crimp the connectors once the wire is installed, and then use a heat gun to shrink the plastic cover. Black connects to black and red connects to the yellow with the white stripe. Ignore that one blue connector that changes to pink. It's not something we're going to talk about. Fish the plug end through the padded cover and zip it all back up. Attach the light to the center of the tray where there is a cutout for the wire. 2 plastic clips will attach the wire to the tray. Install the tray in the same manner shown earlier. Connect the plug. Remember to unplug it anytime you need to remove the tray. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.